We out here at the Great Wall.
Go! Go! Yeah.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
Wow.
Bruh, we out here at the Great Wall.
This is so stupid. I want to go home.
It's raining acid rain. It's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
What is fun? Let me spell it for you. Friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Okay, we go! Go!
Don, how you feeling?
Doing good. I can keep going.
Stephanie? Carver, how do you feel?
Awesome, I love this.
It's great.
I'm tired already.
Yeah,
You're tired?
I was at an all-time low right now.
Morale is at an all-time high. I don't know what you mean. What's up, Don?
Yo.
What's up, Chase?
Friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
This is crazy. We just hopped the mother of all fences out of that window. You can't see it.
You're gonna be in a labor camp later because of this.
Still fire.
Send care packages.
So cool.
Here in the deep blue sea.
Whoa.
You are the flowers, you wish for you got laid. And it's my nose sticking, sharing, coming, sun licking here with my best buddy.
I'll get in a rhythm and then I'm like.
Okay.
What is this?
Great Wall has been the worst, best day of our life.
Yeah, can't explain it.
So wet and miserable.
That's what she said.
Okay.
What?
Two hours later.
How you feeling, baby?
This is having a first
breakdown. How you feeling?
And Bailey's losing her mind.
I want to go home.
How much money did you spend on earrings?
I don't want to talk about
you gotta
it.
talk about it.
How much money did you spend on?
900.
Oh my god.
every time.
Is that Jim Carrey? That's what I thought you were saying. I was like, where is he? What's he doing in Chowder?
See? What's he